Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I have an overabundance of Mexican style shreds. So I threw this mishmash together and it's really very tasty. I've got some ready pasta down in there, which doesn't need very much cooking. I just threw that in the skillet with some garlic. Let's see, what's in here? Garlic, Mexican shreds. I use the Violife because I've got more of those than I've got of the chow. Water and sodium citrate to make the cheese creamy. Salsa, oregano, Mexican oregano, mild green chilies, chopped cherry tomato, well, they're grape tomatoes, they're not cherry tomatoes, sliced black olives, green onions. I think that's it. But of course, I'll have the recipe on my blog and I'll link it in the description. This stuff is really good for something that I just sort of threw together. The salsa I used, oh yeah, I just found one in the spoonful. Baby lima beans, there's one. I knew I was forgetting something. It's so good. Mine is extra spicy because I used extra spicy salsa, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. The chilies are mild, so if you leave the hot spice out, you'll be just fine. And if you wanted to, you could make it more spicy and sprinkle some red chili flakes on top. I might do that after I'm done. Well, maybe I'll do it now. Yeah, that makes it look good. Makes it look even better. Yep, tastes better too. Oh, spice is kicking in. I love it. So as I said, the recipe will be on the blog, linked in the description. I will also link to the previous video. Uploads every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community posts Monday and Friday. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you later, guys. Ooh. Yep, hot and spicy. This is really good.